My name is Lillian Christian. I'm a senior at Henderson County High School. The welding program means a lot to me. I originally was not going to take it. I was going to be a nurse. I wanted something more hands-on, so I signed up to take this class my sophomore year, and I would do it all over again. I love it. The opportunities it's brought me, the friendships. So this class is 75% hands-on. We spend barely any time in the classroom, and that's what I wanted. Instead of just doing bookwork, I'm more so doing something with my hands. And I think for the first couple of weeks you're in the classroom doing safety and stuff, and then from then on you're welding and progressing independently instead of doing something as a whole as a class. I applied for the FAME program through the community college, Henderson Community College, and I got accepted through Pratt, and they gave me a scholarship. So starting around June 3rd-ish, I should be working at Pratt, and they will be paying for my college when I start in August this fall. So when I applied for the FAME program, I was one of many applicants for the FAME program, and I was sitting outside in the hallway about to walk into the room, and she said, well, when you walk in there, Amanda Bloom said, when you walk in there, be prepared to shake everybody's hand. If they're going to stand up and they're going to want to shake your hand, you're going to introduce yourself. So I'm sitting there looking at my nails, which I know they're done now for prom, but they were filthy, and I'm sitting there picking out dirt out of my nails so I can shake these people's hand. And so when I sat down, they were like, are you, scared of getting dirty? Because I was the only girl that applied. So they were like, are you scared of getting dirty and working hard? And I was like, honestly, I just picked so much dirt out of my nails, hoping that you would not see how dirty I was. And they all loved it, and they were cracking up, and it was, I thought it was just a joke, but they absolutely loved it. I'm over the moon. I'm very excited because my original plan was to not go to college. So for this to be given to me, not given to me, but for me to have this opportunity is very exciting for sure. So I will be majoring in applied science industrial maintenance. So I will be doing welding, coding, troubleshooting, stuff like that, robotics. Nothing. I'll have regular curriculum like math and English, but most of the time I spend most of my day doing more shop stuff like this. The boys have made it disgusting in here, so I apologize, but yeah, they're kind of nasty, so sorry. So to be one of the few women in welding is, it can be intimidating for sure. My first couple of days here, I was very, very scared, not only of my instructor, but the boys in here, because they do all think that they are smarter than you. Sorry, but it's the reality, and I'm a woman walking into a man's world, so it can be intimidating, but I feel like I can handle it. And for the other girls that are, as intimidated as I was, it is possible. And not only have I meet my expectations and the others around me, that I have exceeded my expectations on where I would be. So for anyone that thinks that it's not possible, it for sure is possible, and it is something that I would recommend to many young women that think that they should. Being a program recruiter at Henderson County High School was an amazing experience to talk to not only young students, but young women that would come up to me and ask me if they really should join this, and I was like, this is something that is amazing, and I would recommend it to anyone that's even thinking about it, that they should join this. And not only did I do middle school and elementary school, being a program recruiter, I get invited to the community college to talk to young women at junior achievement and to watch them try to do the virtual reality and welding virtually, and then love it just as much as I enjoyed it when I was younger, and tell them that it is an amazing opportunity for young women to join such a field like this. It was an amazing experience. So I got to meet Andy Brashear, which was a great privilege, and so we had the UK symbol, for the basketball, cut out with the plasma table, and I TIG welded HCHS Welding on it, and then we used a torch and made it kind of look, you got some color on there, a little bit of rainbow, and then we clear coated it, and that was our gift for Andy Brashear. He actually shouted me and the other person that's going to Pratt with me in the fall out in one of his press conference. So I got to say, I'm one of those people that you shouted out, and he was like, so yeah, it was great.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it was
awesome.
Great. Yeah. Henderson County High School has prepped me amazingly. I feel like I've learned a lot here. I have a bunch of certifications than many other other people that apply for the same jobs that I do. Some of my mentors at Henderson County High School are definitely my welding instructor. He has always told me to shoot above and beyond towards anything. If anything, if I say I can't do it, he's like, can't's not an option. There's no way you can't do it. He has, inspired me to do many things, from applying to the FAME program to, someone's being mean to me and I don't know how to handle it, and he was just like, you're the boss. You can do it. You can, stuff like that. He has, taught me so many things from life. I'm gonna start crying because I'm graduating. He has taught me life advice. He is the reason I have the job that I do now, is definitely because of him, and the accomplishments and certifications are definitely because of him, and this, the welding program at Henderson County High School.